In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create this upside-down Dutch braid with a big hair bow. Welcome to Hairstyle Camp. Start by brushing the hair through to smooth it out. Then part it into a top section and a bottom section at the crown. Clip the top section away for now. Next, tilt the head forward and bring the bottom section to the front. Pick up the hair at the nape of the neck and divide it into 3 equal strands. Start braiding upward by crossing the left strand under the middle, then the right strand under the middle. After a few stitches, start adding hair from each side into the outer strands. So add hair into the left strand before crossing it under the middle, then add hair into the right strand before crossing it under the middle. This will create clean feed-in lines. Continue in the same way. Keep the braid centered as you work up the head. Once all the hair from the bottom section has been added in, continue with a regular braid and secure the end with a rubber band. Now unclip the top section and create a clean center part. On both sides, leave a small front piece, then secure the rest into high ponytails with rubber bands. Now bring the braid up through the center part between the 2 side sections and pin it in place at the crown. Next, take one side and gently tease the hair to add volume. Roll it into a loop and pin it in place to form one side of the bow. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Now bring the tail of the braid over the center between the 2 bow loops and pin it underneath. Remove the rubber band from the end of the braid and gently undo the lower section. Split the loose hair into 2 pieces, place one on each side of the braid, and pin them in place near the top so the ends fall softly on both sides. And here's the finished hairstyle, a beautiful upside-down Dutch braid with a hair bow.